got a new release of 2021 Leaf Autographed Mini Football Helmets. All right, Eric, here we go. Good luck. Let me point this up just a tad for you. Hold on. There we go. Good luck. Let's see what we can get. These things have been pretty hot lately. Pretty hot. Ouch. Okay, didn't cut myself. That was close. All right, here we go. Nice. Classic right here. Going to the Cowboys. We've got Beckett Cert. How about a little Tony Dorsett? Tony Dorsett auto. There you go, Eric. That's sick. Nice. You've got the Beckett matching witness cert in there as well. Little Tony Dorsett auto on the Cowboys lid. Congrats on that, Eric. Thanks again. We'll get this right out to you.